Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking Gilbaca curry, bhaji with coconut milk and Guyana black shrimps. First I'll show you all of my ingredients. I have bhaji, which is 4 different kinds: marsa, purple leaf, chaurai and kale, coconut milk, seafood seasoning, fish seasoning, black pepper, Guyana black shrimps, chili pepper, garlic, green onion, and white onion. For the Gilbaca curry, I have Gilbaca, green onion, tomatoes, white onion, Wurri peppers, balafaya pepper, fresh curry leaf, garlic, tamarind sour, salt, Indi Madras curry powder, garam masala, seafood seasoning, and fish seasoning. My oil is hot. I'm gonna add the shrimps. Add the black pepper, fish seasoning, and seafood seasoning. I'm gonna just fry the shrimps for 3 minutes. Chop the onion. Chili pepper. Now add the onion and the chili pepper. Green onions, and the bhaji. And I'm gonna let this wilt, and then I'll add more of the bhaji. I'll cover and continue cooking. And I'll use half of the green onion now to mix the masala. Quarter cup water. This is ready. Now I'll mix the masala. Garam masala, curry powder, fish seasoning and seafood seasoning, and salt. Add a mix. This is ready. My oil is hot. I'm going to add the masala. Let this one day. cover and let that wilt. I'll add the curry leaves. Masala finished bunjing. Now I'm going to add the fish. And I'm going to cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now I'll add the last set of the bhaji. And we'll cover and continue cooking until the bhaji wilt. The fish has been cooking for 5 minutes. I'm going to add the tamarind sour. And I'll cover and continue cooking for 5 more minutes. Now I'll add the coconut milk. I'll cover and continue cooking until evaporate. Add boiling water just to cover the fish. And I'll cover and continue cooking until the fish is fully cooked. These are the tomatoes from my backyard. The green onion is from my backyard, and the wiri peppers and balafaya. Now I'll remove the seeds. Now that most of the coconut milk evaporated, I am going to leave the lid off and continue cooking. And the fish is fully cooked. I'm just gonna let the liquid evaporate a little bit more, and then I will add the other ingredients. And the bhaji is finished cooking. Now I'll add the tomatoes and the whole wiri peppers. Now I'll cover and cook for 5 more minutes. Now I'll add the green onion and cook for 2 more minutes. The gilbaka curry is finished cooking. Here is my gilbaka curry. Fry bhaji with coconut milk and Guyana black shrimps. Serve with rice, homemade mango achar, and lime achar. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.